Michelle Hill with Southern Inspirations. Hope you're having a great weekend and a great Saturday so far. I'm here coming to you from Madison, Mississippi with my great friends BJ and Jackie Thayer.
Hey there, Michelle.
So, hey y'all, thank you for having Brad and I this weekend. Y'all may remember a couple of weeks ago or so, BJ and Jackie were with us in our home in Maumelle, Arkansas, and BJ and I did spatchcock chicken.
That's fun.
So we had a whole lot of fun. So Brad and I had to make a quick trip to Mississippi, and I said, you know what? It's a game day.
Yeah.
Can you believe
First game
football
day 2019.
season?
Yes.
And so we have got Florida and Miami are playing tonight. Is that right? And so we decided, you know, if it's a game day, you got to have game day food. And here's the thing about game day food, y'all. It does not have to be difficult.
That's right.
It does not have to be labor intensive. It's just the four of us tonight. It's Brad and I and BJ and Jackie. And I have had this craving for sliders. And so when BJ and I were texting the other day talking about what our little menu would be for tonight, I said, I've really been craving sliders. Well, he said, perfect. Jackie has this recipe for Crystal Burger Copycats. Did I say it right?
That's right.
So for you, we want to show you real quick what we went ahead and just prepared it all and wanted to have it all ready to show you. And then later I will post the recipes. So Jackie, would you start and tell them real quick about our Crystal Burger Copycat?
Right.
And BJ, tell them what we did with fries.
Okay.
Well, the Crystal Burger Copycat burger, they are so easy and they're so much fun to make. All you do is start out with a couple of pounds of ground beef and you put in 1 pack of Lipton onion soup mix. But what you want to do is you want to brown your ground beef and then add your Lipton onion soup mix. You add your cheddar cheese, 2 cups of cheddar cheese and 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. So you're going to mix that together. The mayonnaise makes it moist. And what you're going to do is get the Hawaiian rolls, get 1 pack of those. And this particular recipe, the 2 pounds will be enough for 2 packages of the Hawaiian rolls. And what you want to do is just kind of slice those rolls open, put in be very generous with the meat because you're going to have plenty. Put that inside of put those inside of the Hawaiian rolls. And then you're going to wrap this in foil and put it in the oven at 350 degrees, probably for about 15 minutes. You're basically just wanting to get that warm because everything's cooked. So you're basically going to melt the cheese and just get the meat warm and the buns nice and steamed. And then what you're going to do is put a dill pickle on there with mustard. And I'm telling you, it tastes just like a Crystal burger.
Y'all, I cannot wait
so
to try it. I cannot wait. And BJ, those fries were done in the air fryer, right?
It's very simple. I mean, an air fryer. We just got our air fryer about 2 months ago. We have loved it.
Yeah.
It cooks everything for us perfectly. With Jackie and I, it's just the perfect size. We got it ordered on Amazon. You can get them at Walmart.
Yeah.
Available everywhere. Takes a little, not a big learning curve, but a small learning curve just to understand how well it cooks and how fast it can. But
I'm still practicing with mine. We got one recently too, and I haven't quite got it down yet.
But that big pile of fries was done in less than 10 minutes.
Yeah, awesome. So I cannot wait to get into that.
All right.
And then BJ and I both love, I think we all love salsa. And so today Brad and I went to a local farmer's market and I loaded up on tomatoes and onion and jalapenos and all that good stuff and went to Kroger and got some cilantro. And BJ was thinking salsa too. So we have 2 different batches of red salsa. And then when BJ and Jackie were with us in Little Rock, we had Mexican for lunch one day. And we had this green salsa at a local restaurant, and BJ said, ooh, I got to figure out how to make that. And so we have green salsa too. And so y'all, as you know, there's so many different versions of salsa. Ours, we put in the blender. You can do it chunky, you can do a combination of chunky and pureed. You can make it really spicy or not too spicy, but just have fun with it and do it. Mine has a little bit sweeter taste than BJ's does, so we just had fun doing a couple different versions. So there's our salsa and our chips with our little chili powder or paprika, something pretty BJ sprinkled on there. And then sausage balls, but we're calling ours, what do we decide? Sausage pimento cheese bites. Did I get it right? And I have to give my good friend Crystal some credit. She sent me a recipe for these, for sausage ball with some pimento cheese a few days ago, and I changed it up just a little bit because I don't know why, I just like doing that. But essentially what this is, you take your pound of pork sausage. I love the Jimmy Dean hot sausage, so use that and the Bisquick. The recipe calls for 2 1/4 cups of Bisquick, but I used just over the 2 cups. I didn't want it to be too dry. But y'all, the secret ingredient in this that makes them so moist is that pimento cheese. And the jalapeno, that's right. I use and the palmetto. I love homemade pimento cheese, but y'all, the palmetto brand, if you're gonna buy it store-bought, to me is the next best. And so you've got the pimento cheese instead of just the shredded cheddar cheese in there, and then you roll it on up. They're so moist and so good. Now you'll notice and I just like the bigger ones, so I roll the balls a little bit bigger, but they're a little bit flatter. They're not like a typical ball, but who cares? They're fabulous, right?
Yeah.
So there's our sausage pimento cheese bites. Is there anything else? I mean, that's it. There's the 4 of us. You don't have to be extravagant. We're gonna munch on this. We're gonna watch the game. Y'all, we have to.
We'll drain the aquarium and then turn the game on.
Oh yeah, BJ has this wonderful new TV that it looks like a real aquarium over there. So
we'll drain that, put the game on.
Yeah. So y'all see, so his TV is plenty big enough for us to sit and watch the game and enjoy this. Y'all, we have to get a quick taste. We have to get a quick taste, okay? So y'all watch us make our little crystal burger. Jackie, it's something you and I are gonna. Okay, so there's all that yummy. Y'all see the ground beef with the cheese and the Lipton onion soup mix in there, okay?
Yes.
I'm gonna go ahead and get a little squirt of mustard. Well, maybe an extra little squirt. Oh, Jackie, there you go.
Thank you.
Okay.
And there's your.
And then I'm gonna get a pickle. Gotta have a pickle.
And y'all are gonna be so surprised how good this is. Yes. Tastes like.
Oh, before I take a bite of mine, my husband Brad has never had a crystal burger. Oh my gosh! I'm like, Brad, where have you been? So we gotta get him a crystal burger, but I think this is gonna be even better. All right, so you ready?
A lot more meat on this one than a real crystal burger, too.
A lot more meat. I love the ground beef as opposed to like the little patty. It's so good.
It's good.
Okay.
Yes.
Y'all, we got to get to eating, so.
That's right.
Thank you so much for joining us. As football season continues, we will probably have some more videos with just some different ideas. Hey, share your ideas. We're always open to seeing new game day and tailgating foods. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for following Southern Inspirations and for your support. Keep doing so. Follow us across all social media and share, like, share, comment, because we're just having a bunch of fun. Live life, y'all.